Hey guys, we're at EPCOT again. Later on in the day. We have a couple fast passes.
We do. And the weather looks frightful, and I'm not talking the winter type.
It is really cloudy. It's been raining all day.
It's been raining, then it get muggy, then rains, then get muggy.
Like even on this side. But at least we got to see the Blue Angels this morning, the Navy one. The only one. Duh. Yeah, it looks so much darker in real life than probably what it does on the camera. We got a couple fast passes.
Yep, we're going to do Spaceship Earth.
Yeah.
And we're doing Frozen.
Which we haven't done that one in a while.
Yeah.
Probably have to take an umbrella because I already had to run for cover a few times, and then my flip flops were like didn't work out very well.
It's like a slip and slide.
It really was. I was sliding everywhere. I'm sure people were laughing, but that's okay. Are you excited?
Of course.
We've been at EPCOT so many times.
The thing is, I really feel the hankering to think of Phoenician. Phoenician, not Felician.
Bye, Felicia. We'll see how this works out tonight. A couple hours.
Well.
Not that dark, it doesn't show on camera.
It's not as dark and gloomy as it looks.
Stop one second. For your safety, remain seated at all times.
Ready for the picture?
Slow-moving journey.
Just keep holding it.
Slowly rotate backward and then stop momentarily.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we put that time travel for you.
Each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a special alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. There you go.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Okay, it was slow.
That's perfect time.
That was funny.
invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large, very expensive computers, but into the potential. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together, we form a super network that goes with billions of interactions. Once again, we stand for the future.
Here in the future, your home in the country will be a smart home that automatically knows what you
Did it
want.
get me?
Almost as soon as you do. Need something for a special occasion? Your closet comes equipped with a computerized personal shopper that helps you purchase a custom-made outfit, even if it's for today. Now that's a smart look. Just pack up and go.
Didn't get you
Smart
either.
home has everything organized to help you start your day. The world will literally be at your fingertips because your home's information network can bring you your daily news almost anywhere. And since you don't enjoy cleaning, robotic housekeepers will help you with your daily chores. Your smart home will know when it's time for you to leave and make sure you're dressed for success in your custom manufactured clothes. Of course, your smart home has already booked you a ticket on the magnetic hover train while you relax and enjoy a beautiful view of the future.
There's the purple wall. I don't think we've ever.
Camera noise.
Camera noise.
Whatever.
Oh, lizards. Once again, it's here. There's somebody in the front there handing out the pins. Okay guys, inside Gardener's Terrace from the 2nd to the 6th, you can meet Minnie Mouse. And then there's also some stuff from Dapper Day. Looks like they have a whole bunch of different stuff. So that would be cool. There's like pins and stuff for Dapper Day as well. Some other merch. Because we're at EPCOT, they have the fan and stuff. There's also like the background where Minnie's gonna be at, so it's kind of like that. So that's cool. So it's in Gardener's Terrace. Nope, it's not getting it yet. There it is.
It's all Dapper Day stuff.
I know, that's cool. It's all right here. Okay, so after walking around, I found this. So it takes 10 years to produce a shrub or a topiary. Can't even say it. That's crazy. That shows you like everything that's involved with it. Also for Dapper Day, they have their own organization, and you can get a free pin. I don't know if you can see it. Trying to get this to show. I still can't show the pin. There we go. That's the pin that you can get complimentary. And then this ball one is these days. So if you're looking to do Dapper Day, definitely check them out. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see the fish that are in there. They're just like standing still. Oh man, it's not focusing again. Maybe it's the weather, I'm not sure. Oh, there you go, I can see them. But walking through here, this is what Brian is stopping to check out.
The fish.
The fish. Been awesome.
Hi.
That ended our night. It's gonna probably rain again. But we rode those fast passes and then it was just, we decided to leave. It got way too humid.
Yeah, and it was threatening to rain the whole time.
Lightning right now.
You can actually see a lightning storm out there if it lightens between now and then, but anyway, but we're headed home. A nice little fun day, so we will see you guys later. Bye.